A number of people have asked about removing these two lines from your menu. It is very possible. I will mention that it is affected by a couple properties, so depending on exactly what you want it to look like, specifically on a mobile browser versus just a desktop browser, you might have to do a couple different things, but I can show you both those as well as what you're looking for. It is like the menu drop-down tutorial in the style sheet, so this is just a little bit of code that we have to get in and remove. But it's very possible and very easy. If you didn't watch that one, you'll need to go to Appearance and then Editor, and you should by default be brought to your style sheet. If not, you can find it over here, or go through your FTP uploader if you're not able to save changes from this menu, which is occasionally a hosting issue. On this style sheet, you want to scroll down to Site Navigation. It's probably easier to use your search function on your browser and just go to, you need to spell it right, Genesis. I think I spelled it wrong on the other one. Genesis Nav. And it should take us right down here. And as you can see in this first nav menu, we've got a border bottom and a border top that are both solid lines. If I just delete those, of course, make sure you're not deleting more than that, and remove them, and then update my file, I should, as soon as that page is saved, and see it loading there, those lines are gone. So it's great. It looks like it worked there, and I don't have those lines anymore. The one difference would be if you are browsing from a mobile site, you are still going to have these lines on here. So maybe that's okay. Maybe that's the way that you actually want them to look. But if you also don't want them here, you will need to, I'm going to get this bigger here. On your Edit Themes page, you need to go all the way down to your mobile responsive part of the code, and for reference, that is going to be way down here under Media Queries, and we should be able to find trying to remember, I think it's under a special menu toggle. Yeah, I think, here we are, menu toggle. So under App Media, 940 pixels, you could probably search for one of those and get close to here. We would need to remove these two lines as well. Now I'm actually gonna, there we go. Save that. And if we refresh our page, so now we don't have those lines there, and I don't have them on my mobile version. If I click that, I do still have these lines down here, which I'm assuming you want to leave. If not, that would be a little bit further down on that page. You should be able to find those border lines, remove them. But that would remove them site-wide, or if you just want them removed on mobile, of course, you can try very quickly by scrolling and making sure and seeing or shrinking it, seeing what it looks like, or checking from your phone. But you are set and no longer have those menu lines.